Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Robani and I will briefly explain the PHP tutorial. First, enable Apache and MySQL in Excel. Next, open phpMyAdmin on localhost. Create a database and a table with 4 columns. Explains of columns that can be used are ID, name, power, and unit. After that, open Visual Studio Code. And create and index PHP files. Make sure to adjust the header settings to those in the database. Create a file with a basic table like structure that connect the database. Put PHP code and the top and in each column of the table. At the very bottom, also add PHP to connect to the database. Next, create a new file to add data. Here, create an additional page with a new file that point back to the index. PHP page. For the add page, create a basic HTML file with a label and input in the body. Make sure the input for ID and name match the database structure. Also add a submit button at the bottom of the page. For the edit page, since it will be directly connected. the database add PHP code that calls the data before the tab type. Use PHP include to call the ID to be added from the database. In the body, create a form with label and input the load data from the database using PHP echo. Make sure the ID and name inputs match the database structure. Add a submit button to save the change. Okay, after that, next, for the delete function, create a file that contains PHP code to delete data. This from database. Use PHP include to call the ID to be deleted, the run be delete query and header to redirect to the main page after the data is deleted. And if you want to add other data, such as weapons, simply duplicate the previous file and replace the structure as needed. For example, edit weapon and delete weapon. This process is similar to the previous step. This once everything is complete, you can by editing data or deleting data from the database. Make sure that any changes are properly connected to the main page. If the data is successful, edit it or delete, then your code is working properly. Okay, a little bit from me. Thanks.